What is going on, guys? It's Dose here, and I'm coming at you with another video. And today we're gonna be reviewing my mouse, the mouse I use every day. I don't use my computer every day, but every time I use my computer, I use this mouse, and I got it on Amazon. Shocker! It's really cheap, and it's a gaming mouse. When I do actually game on my PC and I'm not using a controller, I use this and it's amazing. I've never heard of this company before I got this, but I've had this mouse for a long time now, probably like around 6 months, something like that. And it's the Habit Magic Eagle gaming mouse. And I love this mouse. It's a wired mouse, so you're not gonna have latency when you're clicking and it's not clicking on the screen, but it's also just a perfect mouse for just everyday use. It's just a USB-A plug-in. I put it in my USB 3.0 port just so it's the quickest, the speediest, because you know, I want that in the mouse. The cord's about 5-6 feet long, and it's really perfect. It's braided, it feels nice, it's durable, and I haven't had any problems with it yet. Here's the mouse in all its glory. I really like this thing. It changes colors. You can't change the colors manually. It'll just cycle through. But I have no idea how many colors this mouse has, but there's a decent amount of colors. Even though there's light shining on it right now, the lights still aren't very bright from this mouse, but it's still cool because you have the RGB color effect, and I don't know. I like it, I enjoy it. You've got a nice little scroll wheel in the middle. You've got the button right here for your DPI settings. There are 4 DPI settings, and each color represents a setting. It goes red, green, blue, and pink, and each color is 800, 1200, 2400, and 3200 DPI. I really don't know what that means. I just know it's sensitivity of when you move your mic and how far it goes across the screen. I prefer a lower sensitivity. I honestly don't know what color I use. I don't want to press it to like see and then mess it up, so I have it lower. One of my favorite parts to this mouse is there's 2 buttons right here. I believe you can program it to anything you want, but I just use it for going forward and going back. And in certain games I have it programmed differently, but I really like to use it for going forward and back between pages. It's really helpful, really useful, and I use it all the time. And lastly, this mouse is pretty big. It feels great in my hand. It's not too small that like I'm trying to get a good grip and I have this weird claw. There's a lot of mice that are like that, and I like bigger mice, and this one's perfect. It fits my hand pretty well. Considering I can palm a basketball, I feel like I have pretty decent sized hands, but again, not huge, not Shaq. When I got this mouse, it was only like $8 or $9 on Amazon. I will link it in the description. It's a cheap mouse, and I seriously recommend it. Whether you're a gamer or just want a nice new mouse, or just need a mouse in general, it's a good starter mouse. And even though it is a starter mouse and I've been using it for a long time, I still use it, and I'll probably use it for a long time, because there's a lot of mice that get up to like $60, $70, and it's just like, you don't need that. You really don't. They might be really great mice, but you don't need a pricey mouse to have high productivity or be a better gamer. So I think this mouse is perfect. It's great for me, and I recommend you try it out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you did enjoy it. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Comment down below what you want to see in my videos next. And if you're new around here, please subscribe. And don't forget to click that notification bell. Follow my Twitter if you haven't already. I feel like I haven't plugged that in a while. And even though I don't tweet a whole lot, it's a pretty good idea to check out my Twitter every once in a while, because I do post whenever I post a video. And YouTube isn't always the best about giving out notifications. So check me out on Twitter @Dose, link in the description. And I think that is all for now. So until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, guys. I like a lower sensitivity because I make big movements